Hello there, good morning, good afternoon, and good evening. So for this video, let's talk about this error code. So this is going to be the Roblox error code 268, and I'm going to teach you how to fix it very quickly. Let me just remove this one right here. Perfect. So the first thing we're going to do right now is go to your desktop. In here, going on the Windows key right here, and click on this power button. Make sure you click on restart. So the first step I'm going to give you is reboot your PC. Sometimes all you need is a quick reboot, and you'll be good to go. So for the next one, click on the Windows key again, Roblox Player right here, right click on it, basically click on Install, Off in File Location. You're going to see Roblox Player. Right click for that one, and in here, click on Off File Location one more time. The beta should be the one you're looking for, Properties, go for Compatibility, click this box right there, and make sure you choose Windows 7. Click OK and Apply, and you'll be good to go. Now for some reason the problem still persists. What you can do right now is basically uninstalling Roblox at the first place. So to uninstall Roblox, go to a control panel, click on uninstall a program, just type in Roblox here, should be the one right there, under the username or the user Jarvis. Because this is going to be the name of my user for my PC. So uninstall both of them. Once you're done with that one, reinstall them by opening any browser you want. So let me try this one. I'm going to open a sample browser here. Just type in here Roblox install. Let me just type there. Any browser again, download Roblox. And basically have some fun with it. And moving forward, just follow the steps here. And I think restarting your PC solves your problem. So thank you so much for watching. I'll catch you guys on the next one. Goodbye for now.